Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to uninstall Unity version 6 and then install Unity version 7 in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Make sure the Unity application is closed. Then use the search feature and type remove. Then select add or remove programs. Using the search feature again, enter Unity. Then select the Unity client file, then click uninstall. Step 2. Go to support.key2ip.com and then search for Unity Desktop Installer v7. It should be the first article in the KB results. Download the installer file and save it to your desktop. To begin the installation, double-click on the installer file. Click Next and agree to the license agreement, and then complete the installation process by following the prompts. Once the installation is complete, click the Close button, and then search for Unity and open it. You may also want to consider pinning it to your taskbar or saving a shortcut to your desktop. Unity version 7 should detect all of the settings and the login information from the previous Unity version. If it does not, please contact support by emailing support@key2ip.com or call 1-877-807-5247. If you thought this video was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.